good afternoon, or good evening, children. It's Phonics time. So, are you ready, children, to play and learn with me? If you already say yes, 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 yes. Okay, put your hands up. Hands on your head, hands on your nose, hands on your tummy, and sit down nicely. Okay, that's good. Today we want to go to the zoo. Let's go to the zoo. We are going to see the animal that has two eyes, one nose, whiskers, and flippers. Do you want to see, children? Okay, let's count until 3. 1, 2, 3, and boom! Wow! Do you know what animal is this? Oh, this animal also has tusk. We call it tusk. This is a walrus. Can you say walrus? Yes, this is a walrus. Let's say hello to Mr. Walrus. Hello, Mr. Walrus. Oh, and friends. Mr. Walrus and friends. Ho, ho, ho. Hello, children, said Mr. Walrus. And you know, children, Mr. Walrus likes to dance. Weeble wobble, just like this. Do you want to see? Okay, let's see Dancing Walrus.
Record.
Yes! Wow, did you see, children? When walrus does, he wibble wobble his body. Can you wibble wobble like walrus, children? Okay, let's try. Wibble wobble walrus. Wah, wah, wah. Wibble wobble walrus. Wah, wah, wah. Wibble wobble walrus. Wah, wah, wah. Wah is the sounds of W. Yes, this is letter W. And the sound is wah, wah, wah. Okay, now it's time to sing together.
Wah, wibble wobble walrus. Wibble wobble walrus, wah wah wah. Wibble wobble walrus, wah wah wah. Wibble wobble walrus, wah wah wah. Wah is the sound of W.
Okay, so how is the sound, children? The sound is wah, wah, wah. That's good. Can you repeat after me? Wah, wah, wah. Okay, now you can take your cards. And let's check one by one. Now, the first one, children. Wah, wah, wah is for whale. Wow, look at this whale. It's so big. Whale is a sea animal. Now, can you say whale? And show me the picture. Yes, this is a whale. Now, let's sing together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Whale, whale, wah, wah, wah. Whale, whale, wah, wah, wah. That's good. So what animal is this, children? It's a whale. Yes, bye-bye, whale. Okay, number 2. Oh, this is a whistle. Yes, this is a whistle, children. Can you say whistle? Whistle. Now you can find the picture. Whistle. And you can find the whistle inside your plastic. Let me give you whistle. Yes, and do you want to try? Let's blow your whistle, children. Like this. Wow! You can hear the sound. Whistle. Yes. Okay, let's sing together, children. 1, 2, 3, go. Whistle, whistle. Wah, wah, wah. Whistle, whistle. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, so what picture is this, children? Whistle. Okay, let's say bye-bye, whistle. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, number 3. Vroom, 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 vroom. Wow, the car is moving because of the wheel. Yes, this is the wheel. It's round and round. Wheel. Can you say wheel? Now, can you find the picture, children? Wheel. The shape is a circle, round and round. Okay, now let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, go! Wheel, wheel, wah, wah, wah. Wheel, wheel, wah, wah, wah. Have you ever seen a wheel, children? You can find a wheel
On your car.
or on your bicycle. Wheel on the wheels. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Yes, on the bus. Okay, so what picture is it? This is a wheel. Now let's say bye-bye, wheel. And next, children, what time is it? Oh, you can see from the watch. This is watch. Can you say watch? Yes, this is a watch. Do you have a watch at home, children? Oh, you can take your watch and you can put it on your hand. Now, can you show it to me? Where is the picture? Watch. Let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. Watch, watch. Wah, wah, wah. Watch, watch. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, so what picture is this? It's a watch. That's good. Okay, today we are going to make a watch like this. Yes, this is my watch. Now, do you want to make your watch, children? You can take your green paper and you can find the dot stickers. Look at Miss Sandy first and you may try. Okay, children. Now, the first one, let's take your green paper. This is for the strap. And your circle. We are going to paste it in the middle. So let's take your glue. Spread the glue on the back side. Up and down and shake, shake, shake. And let's paste it in the middle. Tap, tap, tap. And can you find W is for whale? Whale. Okay, let's take your glue. Up and down and shake, shake, shake. Let's paste it on the red paper. Tap, tap, tap. Yes. Now for the holes, you can take your dot stickers. I have yellow color. 1, 2, 3. And on the top, 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is my watch. W is for watch. Watch. Now it's your turn, children. And if you're done, you can put your watch on your hand. Like this. You can give glue and put it on your hand. Wow! W is for watch. Watch. Okay. Do you want to try? Yes, this is my watch. Now you can put it on your hand. Wow. W is for watch. Watch. Okay, now it's time to take your paper. Now the first one, let's color letter sound w with purple. Which one is w? Is this w, children? Ta-da! That's v. How about this one? W. Ta-da! It's v. How about this one? Is it w? Oh, yes. W. Up and down and shake, shake, shake. Up and down, shake, shake, shake. Up and down and shake, shake, shake. Yes, this is letter sound w. Okay, next, children. How about this one? Is it w? Yes. W. Yes, that's good. And the last one? Is it w? Ta-da! It's not w. Okay, now let's take your pencil and circle the picture that start with w. Ready? Let's see from the first picture. This is a watch. Watch. Let's sing together. Watch, watch. Is it? Watch. 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 Yes, the first sound is watch. Okay, number 2. This is a fox. 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 Is it? Fox. Fox. No, the first sound is fox. Okay, number 3. This is a volcano. Boom! Volcano, volcano. Is it volcano? No, it's v. Okay, number 4. This is violin, violin. Is it? Violin, children? Violin? No, ta-da! It's v. Okay, next picture. This is a window. Window. Is it? Window. Yes, window. Okay, the last picture. I have a box. Box. Is it? Box. Box. No, ta-da! It's box. Okay, so is for watch and window. That's good. Now the last one, children. Let's connect color them with purple. Window. Is for watch. Now it's your turn, and you can give purple color. Is for window. Window. Is for watch. Watch. Is for well. Well. Is for whistle. Whistle. Okay, children. Now you may try, and if you are done, you can show it to me and tidy up your paper. Yes, we have finished the lesson for today. Now you can tidy up your paper and your pencil, children. See you again on the next video. Bye bye.